Hi friends, welcome back to Odry's English. Today I'll tell you about our family joined together. So let's jump into this video. Some days ago, we went to our village in grandfather's house. My uncle, my auntie, my all cousins went to grandfather's house in village. My grandfather and my grandmother were so happy. We had a lot of fun together, and my uncle made me a cradle. I had a lot of fun in that cradle. Look, guys, my uncle is cooking meat and a rice in the big pot, and I love meat and I like to eat meat. He's giving different spices in the pot. My uncle is a great chef. He can cook many things, but he's cooking meat and rice. He's stirring all the ingredients and he can cook many things, and I love meat. And all my members, this is our join to get together. That's why I is cooking here, and I love all his meat with rice sometimes, and he's stirring all the ingredients, and look, it's almost done cooking, and he's not stirring now, and we will just wait now. And wow, what's this? And you know what is this? And it give fire. It was a lot of things. It's cooking with the fire under the ground. Look, guys, the spices look orange, but this is not actually orange. All the spices were mashed, and when it's ready, mixing, then the meats will be given. They're mixing the spices, and they're giving water and more water there, and now it's gonna give more. Why more? And now we're gonna mix. And look, guys, one pot is for meat and one pot is for the rice. They're big pots, and fire was giving to boil in our grandfather's house. Make fire, and the meats are given. Now it's done. Now it's gonna mix. It's mixing, and look at the mix. Looks so yummy for me. I'm so excited. And who's mixing? Daddy was mixing, right? It is so funny. I see Daddy was mixing, and I said, Daddy, why are you mixing? It's gonna not hurt you. And Daddy said no. And I'm seeing long times Daddy was mixing, and someone is helping him maybe, and that is more mixing, and it looks so yummy for me. The meat looks like it's almost done, and it will take 5-10 minutes to be ready. When it will be ready, we'll eat together, and so much yummy thing. The meat is maybe ready now. The meat looks so yummy for my tummy, and it was a great day in our joint family. Thanks for watching our video. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe our bell. Bye bye, and see you next time. It was a great day. Bye bye.